Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video has been highly requested and I haven't filmed it yet because I hate coming on camera with nothing on my face but primer because I look so old. Okay, maybe not old, but these dark circles are real in these streets. They are very real. But I'm going to be filming a full face video. However, as most of my videos, unless it's a get ready with me, I'm not going to be talking because I realized that I talk too much. So, with that being said, let's get started.
Yo, who was doing all the cooking, doing all the cleaning? Who was making sure the cookies always good for eating? Who was there putting it down every evening, even when you was leaving for no reason each time your phone was ringing? And who was there making your friends wish that they could be you? The game is done, use a bum, I ain't finna feed you. Take your shit out of the bins, you ain't got the key to. I don't need you, kiss my ass while I fucking leave. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you, take your side chick with your TikTok, kick rocks. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was a 10. Bitch, you was a 5. Nah, 4. Bitch, I was a win. Pussy most niggas would die for. Bitch, I had you in position she couldn't apply for. Why you have to lie for? I'm bored, bitch, I'm Louboutin. I ain't fucking with Payless no more. I'm a G6, I ain't flying with Southwest no more. Bitch, your ass is broke, I ain't looking to invest no more. Bitch, I was your Maryland, you can't blow up my dress no more. I could've been your Madonna, now who gon' tell your mama? You lost a bomb-ass bitch, killing like Rihanna. Hair like Ariana, thick like a grown Moana. Hope you're happy with Melania, cause you lost Michelle Obama. Eat it. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you. Take your side chick with your TikTok, kick rocks. Yo, who was doing all the cooking, doing all the cleaning? Who was making sure the cookies always good for eating? Who was there putting it down every evening, even when you was leaving for no reason each time your phone was ringing? And who was there making your friends wish that they could be you? The game is done, use a bum, I ain't finna feed you. Take your shit out of the bins, you ain't got the key to. I don't need you, kiss my ass while I fucking leave. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you, take your side chick with your TikTok, kick rocks. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was a 10. Bitch, you was a 5. Nah, 4. Bitch, I was a win. Pussy most niggas would die for. Bitch, I had you in position she couldn't apply for. Why you have to lie for? I'm bored, bitch, I'm Louboutin. I ain't fucking with Payless no more. I'm a G6, I ain't flying with Southwest no more. Bitch, your ass is broke, I ain't looking to invest no more. Bitch, I was your Maryland, you can't blow up my dress no more. I could've been your Madonna, now who gon' tell your mama? You lost a bomb-ass bitch, killing like Rihanna. Hair like Ariana, thick like a grown Moana. Hope you're happy with Melania, cause you lost Michelle Obama. Eat it. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you. Take your side chick with your TikTok, kick rocks. Yo, who was doing all the cooking, doing all the cleaning? Who was making sure always good for eating? Who was that putting it down every evening, even when you was leaving for no reason? Each time your phone was ringing. And who was that making your friends wish that they could be you? The game is done, use a bum, I ain't finna feed you. Take your shit out of the bins, you ain't got the key to. I don't need you, kiss my ass while I fucking leave. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you, take your side chick with your TikTok, kick rocks, rocks. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was a 10. Bitch, you was a 5. Nah, 4. Bitch, I was a win. Pussy most niggas would die for. Bitch, I had you in position she couldn't apply for. Why you have to lie for? I'm bored, bitch, I'm Louboutin. I ain't fucking with Payless no more. I'm a G6, I ain't flying with Southwest no more. Bitch, your ass is broke, I ain't looking to invest no more. Bitch, I was your Maryland, you can't blow up my dress no more. Could've been your Madonna, now who gon' tell your mama? You lost a bomb-ass bitch, killing like Rihanna. Hair like Ariana, thick like a grown Moana. Hope you're happy with Melania, cause you lost Michelle Obama. Eat it. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you. Take your side chick with your TikTok, kick rocks, rocks. Yo, who was doing all the cooking, doing all the cleaning? Who was making sure the cookies always good for eating? Who was that putting it down every evening, even when you was leaving for no reason? Each time your phone was ringing. And who was that making your friends wish that they could be you? The game is done, use a bum, I ain't finna feed you. Take your shit out of the bins, you ain't got the key to. I don't need you, kiss my ass while I fucking leave. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you. Take your side chick with your TikTok, kick rocks, rocks. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was a 10. Bitch, you was a 5. Nah, 4. Bitch, I was a win. Pussy most niggas would die for. Bitch, I had you in position she couldn't apply for. Why you have to lie for? I'm bored, bitch, I'm Louboutin. I ain't fucking with Payless no more. I'm a G6, I ain't flying with Southwest no more. Bitch, your ass is broke, I ain't looking to invest no more. Bitch, I was your Maryland, you can't blow up my dress no more. Could've been your Madonna, now who gon' tell your mama? You lost a bomb-ass bitch, killing like Rihanna. Hair like Ariana, thick like a grown Moana. Hope you're happy with Melania, cause you lost Michelle Obama. Eat it. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you. Take your side chick with your TikTok, kick rocks, rocks. Yo, who was doing all the cooking, doing all the cleaning? Who was making sure the cookies always good for eating? Who was that putting it down every evening, even when you was leaving for no reason? Each time your phone was ringing. And who was that making your friends wish that they could be you? The game is done, use a bum, I ain't finna feed you. Take your shit out of the bins, you ain't got the key to. I don't need you, kiss my ass while I fucking leave. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you. Take your side chick with your TikTok, kick rocks, rocks. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was a 10. Bitch, you was a 5. Nah, 4. Bitch, I was a win. Pussy most niggas would die for. Bitch, I had you in position she couldn't apply for. Why you have to lie for? I'm bored, bitch, I'm Louboutin. I ain't fucking with Payless no more. I'm a G6, I ain't flying with Southwest no more. Bitch, your ass is broke, I ain't looking to invest no more. Bitch, I was your Maryland, you can't blow up my dress no more. Could've been your Madonna, now who gon' tell your mama? You lost a bomb-ass bitch, killing like Rihanna. Hair like Ariana, thick like a grown Moana. Hope you're happy with Melania, cause you lost Michelle Obama. Eat it. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you. Take your side chick with your TikTok.
Now I know I said I wasn't going to be talking in this, but I had to mention this highlight that I haven't used in a while, but I absolutely love. I still love the case because it's a picture of Audrey Hepburn, well, a caricature of Audrey Hepburn, and it is from the company Clio, which is a Korean cosmetic brand. They have really good stuff, but this highlighter was my favorite when I first came to Korea, and they have many different of the famous American actresses like Marilyn Monroe and Elizabeth Taylor, but of course I got Audrey Hepburn, and this is in the number 3 light gold, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And I'm just using my Morphe M531 brush to put this on my face. I don't use the brush that it came with because, yeah, I just don't.
Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was a 10. Bitch, you was a 5. Nah, 4. Bitch, I was a win. Pussy most niggas would die for. Bitch, I had you in position she couldn't apply for. Why you have to lie for? I'm bored, bitch, I'm Louboutin. I ain't fucking with Payless no more. I'm a G6, I ain't flying with Southwest no more. Bitch, your ass is broke, I ain't looking to invest no more. Bitch, I was your Maryland, you can't blow up my dress no more. Could've been your Madonna, now who gon' tell your mama? You lost a bomb-ass bitch, killing like Rihanna. Hair like Ariana, thick like a grown Moana. Hope you're happy with Melania, cause you lost Michelle Obama. Eat it. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you. Take your side chick with your TikTok. Kick rocks, rocks. Yo, who was doing all the cooking, doing all the cleaning? Who was making sure the cookies always good for eating? Who was that putting it down every evening, even when you was leaving for no reason each time your phone was ringing? And who was that making your friends wish that they could be you? The game is done, use a bum, I ain't finna feed you. Take your shit out of the bins, you ain't got the key to. I don't need you, kiss my ass while I fucking leave. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you. Take your side chick with your TikTok. Kick rocks, rocks. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was a 10. Bitch, you was a 5. Nah, 4. Bitch, I was a win. Pussy most niggas would die for. Bitch, I had you in position she couldn't apply for. Why you have to lie for? I'm bored, bitch, I'm Louboutin. I ain't fucking with Payless no more. I'm a G6, I ain't flying with Southwest no more. Bitch, your ass is broke, I ain't looking to invest no more. Bitch, I was your Maryland, you can't blow up my dress no more. Could've been your Madonna, now who gon' tell your mama? You lost a bomb-ass bitch, killing like Rihanna. Hair like Ariana, thick like a grown Moana. Hope you're happy with Melania, cause you lost Michelle Obama. Eat it. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you. Take your side chick with your TikTok. Kick rocks, rocks. Yo, who was doing all the cooking, doing all the cleaning? Who was making sure the cookies always good for eating? Who was there putting it down every evening, even when you was leaving for no reason each time your phone was ringing? And who was there making your friends wish that they could be you? The game is done, use a bum, I ain't finna feed you. Take your shit out of the bins, you ain't got the key to. I don't need you, kiss my ass while I fucking leave. You done fucked up real big this time. Never get another bitch looking this fine. Don't let the doorknob hit you, take your side chick with your TikTok, kick rocks, rocks. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your beat. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was your Beyonce. Bitch, I was a 10. Bitch, you was a 5. Nah, 4. Bitch, I was a win. Pussy most niggas would die for. Bitch, I had you in position she couldn't apply for. Why you have to lie for? I'm bored, bitch, I'm Louboutin. I ain't fucking with Payless no more. I'm a G6, I ain't flying with Southwest no more. Bitch, your ass is broke, I ain't looking to invest no more. Bitch, I was your Marilyn, you can't blow up my dress no more. I could've been your Madonna, now who gon' tell your mama? You lost a bomb-ass bitch, killing like Rihanna. Hair like Ariana, thick like a...
And this is the finished look. This is just something quick and easy for me when I usually don't have time for work, like to get ready for work. My go-to look is using the Prism palette and using Lucid, Eden, and Saturn. Just real quick, real fast. Those are the 3 shades that I used. And my go-to lip color is Jeffree Star Family Jewels these days. And I just added the Fenty Beauty Lip Luminizer as well as, in VayCray, as well as Trophy Wife on my Cupid's bow. As always, the only thing that I used today in today's video that I haven't used in a very long time was the highlighter, and it's because I want to keep it not so bright today. I want to keep it neutral, and I wanted a gold highlight, and I broke my Jeffree Star King Tut that got broken. I dropped it. I haven't fixed it yet. I should fix it. And I didn't want a super bright gold like like Trophy Wife on my cheeks. So, and that's light. It's like a lighter Trophy Wife. So that's why I used that today instead of using Uranus like I always do, or Trophy Wife like I always do. It's always usually those two. So yeah, I actually did my liner on camera and it came out much better than I thought it would. I like this actually. It looks better than how it looks when I go to work. Wow. Because I don't have, actually today I have off, so I'm able to film 2 videos today. I filmed this look and then I'm going to film the Spill the Tea tag. So yeah, that's it for this video. And I will see you next time. Bye.